kart corners, at least in the UK. Here we go then, round 3 begins, and the cadets are away, and it's a good start from pole for Morgan Hill. That was exactly the kind of start that he needed as they worked their way through the first 2 corners for the first time today, in racing form at least. Morgan Hill, does he need to go defensive? He does. He doesn't. He leaves the door open to NAKAMURA-BERTA, who slips up into first place as they work their way through Inkermans in racing for the first lap of the day. Down into Ashby, another overtaking opportunity, going 3 wide down the hill. There's a driver off into the grass at the back, but looks like they'll be able to carry on as the 81 is spun round as well. And that's Mitchell Gibbons. That is significant because he's your current championship leader. Through Osier as they go onto the back straight, but this could be high drama here right from the off in the Honda Cadets, because one of the key protagonists in the championship has spun round as they come round to finish lap number 1 of the day, as someone's doing a bit of lawn mowing in the boot and has gone into the wall as well. That's the number 33. Looks like they're able to continue. That is Aston McAndrew-Uren who went into the wall there. But either way, at the end of lap 1, it's NAKAMURA-BERTA, Jaydan, GREGG, Morgan Hill, Oscar Teuton, Henry NG-ZEEDERBERG rounds out the top 5 there. So head to the top section of the lap. Their way on the back straight. Jaydan, GREGG is right with NAKAMURA-BERTA here, and ducking their heads there. That's known as shrimping in karting to try and get any aerodynamic advantage that you can. GREGG he needs to do to keep this. Look how they've broken away from the pack actually. That was a key lap for those two. The gap has gone out to 2 seconds up the road they are. Morgan Hill still holding well in 3rd, with Teuton right with him, as is NG-ZEEDERBERG. Ethian Simmons had a brilliant lap there, got up 3 places to 6th place, so look out for the number 23, he's on the move. He's 2nd in the championship, so this could be key, a key point with difficulties for Mitchell Gibbons. I say difficulties because he is trying to work his way back into this one. There's definitely a spin there on the first lap. We're back here then with this is the battle for 3rd. This is Morgan Hill, Oscar Teuton in the 77, right on the tail of Hill. Is he going to try one into oblivion? He is. Nice move there. Can he hold on to it through the crook and heading up the hill though? That's the battle for the lead that we picked up there. That's NAKAMURA-BERTA still holding off GREGG. To Ashby they go, and I think that is a successful move made and done there for Oscar Teuton. So Teuton up to 3rd, Morgan Hill in 4th, and NG-ZEEDERBERG is in 5th in the number... Oh no, sorry, Jamie Perilli looks to have got up as well. So it's all change in amongst the top 10. We'd expect nothing, in fact it's all change everywhere, we'd expect nothing less of the Honda Cadets. Battle over 3rd place then. Heads down on the hill. NG-ZEEDERBERG, that will take on your time right about now as they cross the line onto a new lap. There you can see the 23 flash through your shot. Ethan Simmons, he's trying to get onto the back of that battle over 3rd place. SWAIN took that lap as well. Graham also took Thomas Bierman. Through Wilkins, this battle goes then into Osier's. Got a close battle for the lead. Jaydan, GREGG playing very sensibly. I think seems to keep his powder dry, but he's definitely keeping NAKAMURA-BERTA within grasping distance, although having said that, Kean NAKAMURA-BERTA has set the fastest lap of the race at 53.83. So he's trying to do everything he can to break the toe. Jaydan, GREGG still keeping within a second here. Oh, and something's happened on that lap to Jamie Perilli that I didn't catch, because he's dropping down the time screens now. There's your lead battle, and there he is in number 32. Back to third place, working their way through the boot. Oscar TEUTEN has now got a little bit of breathing space ahead of Morgan Hill and NG-ZEEDERBERG. Wesley SWAIN still on the move, got himself up into 7th place now. Bobby ROSIER is in 8th, Spencer Brown in 9th, and DUNCAN in 10th, that's in the top 10. And that's the carts that you can see going through shots. Basically, all the teams' positions over the teams are very, very close. They're separated by mere tenths all the way through the pack in that part of the field. Contact warning for Mitchell Gibbons as he tries to work his way back up here. He's in 21st spot, which is decent stuff considering his spin early on. And this one has not quite gone the way of which is other races this year. We're entering the closing 90 seconds of this. Bear in mind, it will be 8 minutes plus a lap, so it will be an extra lap, but this is getting to the point. There is the contact warning showing on the digital flagboard. We're getting to the point if you want to challenge for a position. This is when you want to start thinking about making the move. NAKAMURA-BERTA has opened up a bit of a gap now over Jaydan GREGG. It's out to 1.68 seconds. So that's decent enough. Into the boot from the battle over. Oh, I see. I'm calling it the battle over third. This is the battle over fourth. As you can just see there, the 77 constitutes, as I mentioned about a lap ago, has got a bit of a gap. Battles happening throughout the field. So you just just a few more seconds on the clock then, and this young man here, Kean, NAKAMURA-BERTA, has done everything he needs to do. Got to the front of the field early on and has controlled the race brilliantly. He's now got 2 seconds in hand over Jaydan GREGG. His pace has been highly impressive. Works his way into the boot. He's just got to keep this one nice and calm. Our clock hits 0, and so we'll be going now. There you go, on to the final lap. NAKAMURA-BERTA now just needs to keep it calm. In fact, I think the top 3 are all decided in this one. The battle to 4 between Morgan Hill and NG-ZEEDERBERG is the closest battle of the top runners. Good race from Jaydan GREGG though. He tried very hard to keep with the leader, kept the pressure up. But towards the end, NAKAMURA-BERTA here in the number 5 was able to just get ahead. I believe this will be his first win of season. So round the final corner comes Kean NAKAMURA-BERTA, and he takes the victory in Heat 1 of the Honda Cadets, round 3 of the WMKC in 2019. A very impressive victory there. Jaydan GREGG crosses the line in second. Good drive from him. Oscar TEUTEN did well to get up to third place over the course of the race. Morgan Hill was able to hold off NG-ZEEDERBERG towards the end. Ethian finishes 6th. Good race from him, worked his way up the field. Wesley SWAIN in 7th, 8th on the DUNCAN. Spencer Brown in 9th, 10th.